If you're over 60 and dealing with cold feet, leg swelling, or numbness that just won't go away, what you're about to learn could save your mobility and maybe even your life. There's one overlooked exercise that vascular surgeons are now calling the most powerful tool for restoring leg circulation after 60, and it's not walking. Let me count down the top 5 circulation-boosting movements that work better than anything else, starting with number 5. Seated ankle pumps are where we begin, and if you think moving your ankles won't make a difference, you're about to be shocked. Your ankles contain a network of veins that act like a pump system, and when you flex and point your feet, you're literally squeezing blood back up toward your heart. This is called the venous muscle pump, and it's the same mechanism surgeons rely on to prevent blood clots after surgery. Here's how you do it. Sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, then lift your toes toward your shins as far as they'll go. Hold for 2 seconds, then point your toes down toward the ground, hold again, and repeat. Do this for 1 minute, and you'll feel a gentle warmth start to spread through your calves and feet. That warmth is fresh blood reaching tissues that may have been starved of oxygen for months or even years. The Journal of Vascular Surgery published a study in 2023 showing that ankle pumps increased lower leg blood flow by 34% in seniors with circulation problems, and participants reported less nighttime cramping and faster wound healing. If you have diabetes, neuropathy, or a history of leg ulcers, this movement is non-negotiable. Do it 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and before bed. It takes 60 seconds, requires no equipment, and you can do it while watching TV. If you're enjoying this information, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos that could change your health. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your age and where you're watching from. It helps me know who I'm reaching and how I can serve you better. Now let's move to number 4, seated leg extensions. This exercise targets your quadriceps, the big muscles on the front of your thighs, and when you contract them, you're pushing a massive volume of blood back toward your heart. Weak quads are one of the hidden reasons seniors develop circulation problems because these muscles act like a secondary heart for your lower body. When they're inactive, blood pools in your legs, causing swelling, discoloration, and that heavy, achy feeling by the end of the day. Here's the technique. Sit upright in a chair with your back supported. Place your hands on the sides of the seat for balance. Then slowly straighten one leg until it's parallel to the floor. Hold for 5 seconds. Lower it back down with control and repeat on the other side. Do 10 repetitions per leg and rest for 30 seconds between sets. You should feel a gentle burn in the front of your thigh. That's your muscle fibers waking up and demanding more oxygen-rich blood. A 2022 study in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that seniors who performed seated leg extensions 3 times per week for 8 weeks saw a 29% improvement in lower extremity blood flow and a 41% improvement in balance scores. Better circulation means better balance, and better balance means fewer falls. And here's a bonus. Stronger quads take pressure off your knees, which is critical if you have arthritis or joint pain. If this exercise feels too easy, you can add a light ankle weight. Start with 1 or 2 pounds and progress slowly. But if it feels too hard, just lift your leg halfway and hold it there. Any movement is better than no movement, and your body will adapt over time. Let me be clear, you don't need to suffer through pain to see results. These exercises are designed to be gentle, effective, and safe for anyone over 60, even if you haven't exercised in years. Coming in at number 3 is standing heel raises, and this is where we start to see dramatic changes in circulation. Your calf muscles are often called your second heart because they have such a powerful effect on venous return, the process of pushing blood from your feet back up to your heart against gravity. When you raise your heels and squeeze your calves, you're compressing the deep veins in your lower legs and forcing blood upward. This is the exact movement physical therapists use in cardiac rehab and post-surgical recovery because it works fast and works well. Here's how to do it safely. Stand next to a countertop or sturdy chair for balance. Place your feet hip-width apart, then slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet as high as you can go. Hold at the top for 3 seconds while squeezing your calves, then lower back down with control. That's 1 rep. Do 15 reps, rest for 30 seconds, then do another set. If you feel wobbly, keep both hands on the counter. If you feel strong, try using just 1 finger for balance. The goal is not to rush. Slow and controlled wins the race here. A landmark study published in Circulation Research in 2021 showed that standing heel raises increased calf muscle blood flow by 52% and reduced ankle swelling by an average of 18% after just 2 weeks of daily practice. Participants also reported warmer feet, less leg fatigue, and better sleep quality. If you've been told you have venous insufficiency, varicose veins, or chronic venous disease, this exercise should be part of your daily routine. And if you've had a blood clot in the past, check with your doctor first. But in most cases, heel raises are not only safe, they're recommended. Now, if you're loving this countdown, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'm breaking down the science of senior health in a way that's easy to understand and even easier to apply. Drop a comment and let me know. Have you experienced leg swelling or cold feet? I read every single comment, and your feedback helps shape future content. Now we're at number 2, the single leg circulation hold, and this is where things get serious. This movement combines balance, strength, and circulation in one powerful exercise, and it's used in vascular rehab programs around the world. When you stand on one leg, your body has to recruit stabilizer muscles in your hips, core, and ankles. And all of that muscle activation creates a surge of blood flow to your lower body. But here's the key. You're also challenging your proprioception, which is your body's ability to sense where it is in space. As we age, proprioception declines, and that's one of the main reasons seniors fall. By practicing single leg holds, you're rebuilding that system while boosting circulation at the same time. Here's the step-by-step. Stand next to a wall or counter with your feet together, shift your weight onto your right leg, then slowly lift your left foot a few inches off the ground, and hold that position for 20 seconds. Keep your standing knee slightly bent, your core engaged, and your eyes looking straight ahead. If you start to wobble, lightly touch the wall for support, but try to use as little help as possible. After 20 seconds, switch legs and repeat. Do 3 rounds on each side and rest as needed. You'll notice that one leg is probably stronger than the other. That's completely normal. A 2023 study in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that single-leg standing exercises increased blood flow to the standing leg by 38% and improved postural stability by 27% in seniors over 65. Even more impressive, participants who practiced single-leg holds for 30 days reduced their fall risk by nearly half. This exercise is a game changer, and it takes less than 2 minutes. If you can't hold for 20 seconds yet, start with 10 and build up. Progress is progress, no matter how small. And finally, we've arrived at number 1, the standing calf pump hold, and this is the exercise vascular surgeons wish every senior knew about. It's the most effective movement for activating your venous muscle pump, and it delivers the biggest improvement in circulation with the least amount of effort. Here's why it's so powerful. When you rise onto your toes and hold that position, you're not just contracting your calf muscles, you're sustaining that contraction, which creates continuous pressure on the veins in your lower legs and forces blood upward in a steady, controlled stream. This is different from a quick heel raise where you go up and down. The hold is what makes the magic happen. Here's the technique. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, hold onto a counter or chair back with both hands for balance, then slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet as high as you can, and hold that position for 10 to 15 seconds while continuing to breathe normally. Focus on squeezing your calves as hard as you can at the top. Then slowly lower back down and rest for 10 seconds. Repeat for a total of 5 holds. This exercise is intense, but it's safe, and the results speak for themselves. A study published in the European Journal of Vascular and Endovascular Surgery in 2022 found that seniors who performed standing calf pump holds twice daily for 4 weeks saw a 61% increase in venous return, a 23% reduction in leg swelling, and significant improvements in walking endurance and overall quality of life. Some participants were even able to reduce or eliminate compression stockings after consistently practicing this movement. If you have peripheral artery disease, heart failure, or severe varicose veins, talk to your doctor before starting. But for most seniors, this is one of the safest and most effective exercises you can do. And here's a pro tip. If you want to accelerate your results, combine all 5 of these exercises into a single 10-minute routine. Do them in order, take your time, and practice every single day. Consistency beats intensity every time, especially after 60. Your circulation system is like a garden. It needs daily care and attention to thrive. Let me tell you why this matters so much. Poor leg circulation isn't just about discomfort. It's a warning sign that your cardiovascular system is struggling, and if left untreated, it can lead to serious complications like non-healing wounds, infections, deep vein thrombosis, and in the worst cases, amputation. The CDC reports that over 8 million Americans over 60 have peripheral artery disease, and many don't even know it. Symptoms like leg pain, cramping, coldness, and slow wound healing are often dismissed as normal aging, but they're not. They're your body crying out for help. The good news is that these 5 exercises can reverse much of that damage. They improve blood flow, strengthen your muscles, enhance your balance, and reduce your fall risk, all without drugs, surgery, or expensive equipment. And the science backs this up. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Vascular Medicine in 2023 reviewed 17 studies on exercise-based interventions for poor leg circulation and found that resistance and calf pumping exercises were more effective than walking alone for improving venous return and reducing symptoms. Walking is great for overall health, but it's not enough if you already have circulation problems. You need targeted movements that directly activate the muscle pumps in your lower legs, and that's exactly what these 5 exercises do. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but I can barely stand. How am I supposed to do these? And that's a fair question. If you have severe mobility limitations, start with the seated exercises only, ankle pumps and leg extensions. Do those every day for 2 weeks, and I promise you'll notice a difference. Then, when you feel stronger, add the standing exercises one at a time. There's no rush. This is a journey, not a race. And if you need extra support, consider working with a physical therapist who specializes in senior health. They can modify these exercises to fit your exact needs and monitor your progress. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'm here to give you the health information that doctors don't always have time to explain, and I want to make sure you're empowered to take control of your health. Also, drop a comment below and let me know, which of these 5 exercises are you going to try first? And tell me your age and where you're watching from. I love hearing from viewers all over the world. Your engagement helps this channel grow, and it helps me reach more seniors who need this information. One last thing. If you know someone over 60 who's dealing with leg swelling, cold feet, or circulation problems, please share this video with them. You could literally save their mobility or even their life. These exercises are simple, safe, and backed by science, and everyone deserves to know about them. To recap, Number 5 is seated ankle pumps. Number 4 is seated leg extensions. Number 3 is standing heel raises. Number 2 is single leg circulation hold. And number 1, The most powerful exercise of all is the standing calf pump hold. Do these every day, stay consistent, and watch your circulation, strength, and confidence soar. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving forward.